In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Freshbooks, a process that ensures your financial records stay organized and up to date. Whether you're running a business or managing your personal accounts, being able to accurately track your expenses is crucial for good financial health. To begin, log into your Freshbooks account and navigate directly to the Expenses tab. Once there, initiate the process by clicking the Plus New Expense button, a straightforward starting point for recording a new expense. It's essential to ensure that every detail is captured accurately, which is why Freshbooks provides an intuitive interface designed to make this process seamless. Next, you'll need to enter the merchant's name, which refers to the individual or business you made a purchase from. This helps create a clear record of all transactions. Following that, select a category that best fits the nature of your expense. Categories are a simple yet powerful way to sort and organize your spending. If the available options don't quite fit, Freshbooks allows for customization, enabling you to create categories that tailor to your specific needs. At this stage, don't forget to set the date of the transaction, as this will ensure your records reflect the accurate time frame. Once these details are in place, it's time to specify the grand total of your expense. This figure is the heart of your entry and ensures that your accounting stays balanced. To supplement this, add a brief description and any pertinent notes, providing context which can be vital for future reference. Detailed notes can help jog your memory later and give additional insight into spending patterns. Freshbooks also allows you to attach a receipt or other related files to your expense entry. Attaching a receipt offers an added layer of verification and can be particularly useful if you're ever audited or need to dispute a charge. Having digital copies of your receipts will keep your records neatly organized and easily accessible. Furthermore, Freshbooks gives you the option to assign your expense to a specific client or project, or even mark it as a recurring expense, if applicable. This feature is particularly handy for businesses that need to track project-specific spending or manage subscriptions and other regular payments. By linking expenses directly to a project or client, you enhance your reporting capabilities, making it easier to evaluate profitability and cost management. Finally, once you're satisfied with your entry, click the checkmark or the Save button to securely record the expense. This final step commits your data to the Freshbooks system, where it stays organized and integrated with your overall financial strategy. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain clear, accurate financial records in Freshbooks. It's all about ensuring your expenses are documented correctly, paving the way for better financial management and informed decision-making.